Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on IOTA coin. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big falling wedge pattern, and I also want to show you this broadening wedge pattern formation as well that IOTA has formed on the daily time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my previous major trade setup of IOTA that I want to show you with the combination of this big falling wedge pattern, because this time IOTA has formed another very big harmonic bullish reversal guardian move on the monthly time frame chart. And I'll also share this move with you in some other video. But before this, I want to show you the previous move. And by the way, before that, I also shared this big bullish cipher pattern, and that was formed back in May 2021, and that was also a very, very big pump. You can see I've played the chart, and we had a very, very big pump, approximately for 64 cents to here at $2.08. Now, let me show you before that, it formed another harmonic cipher pattern on the daily time frame chart that was also another very nice pump that I also shared with my members. But this is the most important chart that I want to share with you. And this chart is quite related to the current situation of IOTA. You can see that when IOTA formed this previous falling wedge pattern, you can see it was entered the wedge here back in 2018, October 2018, and broke out the resistance here in July 2020. At the same time, it also formed this very big harmonic bullish reversal butterfly move on the weekly time frame chart. The formation was started in September 2019, and it was entered the potential reversal zone here in November 2019. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line moved more down inside this potential reversal zone. We had some further spikes to the downside, but could not break it down. And from 17.3 cents, or approximately 17 cents, it rallied. You can see here. By the way, this was a very, very massive rally up to $2.67. That was, by the way, more than 1400% massive pump. And right now, IOTA has formed another very big harmonic bullish reversal guardian move on the monthly time frame chart. The previous move was on the weekly time frame chart, and this time IOTA has formed this move on the monthly time frame, and at the same time, it is also moving inside a very big falling wedge pattern. Once again, IOTA is going to start the same move like it did back here in August 2020, from 2018 to 2020, and then we had a very, very big pump. Same as like that, IOTA has formed another falling wedge pattern and another very, very big harmonic bullish reversal setup as well that I've already shared with my members. And if you're one of my members, then you can find it in the long-term trade setups that I have been sharing with you. Now, you can see right now the price line is testing this key support that we have at 23 cents. And you can see this is a very strong support. We have already formed a double bottom here as well. And now recently we are rejected by this resistance of the wedge. And previously you can see for the past several years, it has been breaking as a very, very strong support. Now we need to break out this resistance of the wedge, and at the same time on the daily time frame chart, it has formed this broadening wedge pattern that is moving to the downside. And you can see here price line formed lower than previous low, but RSI formed higher low than previous low, and stochastic also formed higher low than previous low. So there was a bullish divergence, and the price line is moved up at this resistance with the bullish divergence. Therefore, there is a very high probability that this time IOTA may break out this resistance of a broadening wedge, and after breaking out this broadening wedge, there will be also a breakout possible from this very big falling wedge pattern as well. This will be our key resistance here at 37 cents, and previously you can see for the past several years it has been breaking other resistance and support. Most of the times it has been breaking other resistance, therefore it is again breaking as a strong resistance. And by the way, after breaking out this big falling wedge pattern, our final target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $1.95. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.